start off this project, I picked up a couple of just glassware pieces from the dollar store, but the star of the show is the Terracotta Spray Paint by Rust-Oleum. I'm going to link it below for you guys. I found it on Amazon and I am obsessed with this product, but I kind of have done trial and error and figured out the best way to use it. You're gonna wanna put your can about 12 inches away from your item and do very light coats of this, but build it up. You're not gonna wanna spray a ton on at once because it will start dripping. And the great thing about this product is that when you spray it on, it kind of goes on a more brightish orange color, but as it dries into the most beautiful terracotta look, and it actually has that terracotta kind of sandy texture to it as well. So I let it dry for about 20 minutes between coats. It's a super quick dry because I believe it's more of a powder paint as opposed to a liquid paint, but you're gonna wanna do about 3 to 4 coats. And then I also got this little ceramic cactus ring holder or jewelry dish at the dollar store as well, and I sprayed that too. But as you can see, as the coats build, it turns into a beautiful terracotta finish.